Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I made some delicious egg rolls in my air fryer. If you saw my previous video, I did do an unboxing for my Ninja Foodie air fryer, and I'm putting it to the test, and it did pass the test. So trust and believe, after this video you'll be ready to order one of these Ninja Foodie Deluxe. You can pressure cook, do everything. The link will be in my description box. So I'm just using some, you can use any leftover chicken. This is actually some jerk chicken, leg and thigh, piece of breast, anything you can put in your egg roll. I'm just cutting it up, just remove the skin, and just, you can shred it with your knife, or you can actually put it in a food processor. Only thing I'm adding, because the jerk chicken was already seasoned, so it does not need any extra seasoning, just a little jerk seasoning and some sweet chili sauce. I'm also making a separate sauce on the side with a sweet chili, some ketchup, a little juice, orange juice or pineapple juice is good, a little ground ginger, and a little bit of this jerk marinade or jerk seasoning, and bring that to a boil. And yes, I am gonna add some rice and peas to my egg roll, shredding some cabbage. I got my purple cabbage, and I have the green cabbage and some carrots. You can actually get the pre-shredded carrots, or you can shred it yourself. So this egg roll wraps there in the produce section. You can get them at Kroger, you can get them at Publix, any supermarket. And as I was saying, I am putting my entire meal in my egg roll, and it was so good. You guys are gonna love this. So I'm even putting some nice delicious sweet plantain, and like I said, everything turned out perfect. All right, and I'll also list the measurements for the sauce in my description box. And if you're looking for the rice and peas, that video is also on my channel. You can scroll down. All right, and as far as with the egg roll, you can actually use egg wash to, glue it together, or you can just use water. So if, it's actually a vegan egg roll. So I know a lot of vegans, they don't eat eggs. So yeah, you can use water. I'm just filling it with everything that's in front of me, like a little buffet. So I'm adding the chicken. It's, like I said, it's just shredded chicken. Some of it is breast, like, and thigh, everything just mixed up. Just adding that sauce. That's the sauce that I actually made. That's what it looks like once it comes, to a nice simmer. And you can put this sauce on anything. You can put on barbecue chicken. It's like a homemade barbecue sauce. All right, so I'm adding the rice and peas, my plantain, the vegetables, and I'm just gonna fry this in my air fryer at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. Give it about 5 minutes is what I did, and then it shut it off, and then flip it and give it another 5 minutes. So total of 10 minutes, and it came out perfect. The egg rolls are very easy to wrap. Just tuck the sides in and just roll it away. If you go to my Instagram, you can see I played the roll it gal. Yes, just roll it up. Yeah, so they don't have to be perfect, just as long as you just tuck them, and get them exactly how you want them. All right, and that's the great thing about the egg rolls. You can just add whatever you want, whether it be chicken, shrimp, fish. You can just load it up. All right, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Every time I go live, you get that notification. Hey, Raina is live on YouTube. And then make sure you're also following me on all the other platforms. I am on Instagram at Therainaskitchen, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all the platforms at Therainaskitchen. So check out this cute little spray bottle. It's actually on my Amazon storefront. It's one of those bottles you can add olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil. I actually have vegetable oil in here because it's important. Just spray your egg rolls before you put them in, and then once I flip them again, I also spray the other side. All right, so we're just air frying these on each side for 5 minutes at 375 degrees. All right, and keep in mind, you can also pre-make your egg rolls. You can stuff them, put them in the freezer, and once you're ready for them, you can just drop them in the air fryer and do the same thing. Make sure you spray both sides when you flip them, so they'll be nice and crispy. right, and that is it. See how beautiful these look? If you want them a little darker, you can give it more time or turn up the temperature, maybe to 400, but 375 worked perfectly for me. The right texture, they were crispy, everything was inside perfect. Well, the everything inside was already pre-cooked, so yes, so definitely delicious. So if you're not sold on this, you should be. It's very efficient. I love the multiple features and the functionalities. I can, I can do my stew peas, I can fry chicken, I can bake a chicken, everything in this air fryer. So everything, see, look at that, look how beautiful this came out. So this is like definitely highly recommended. So this went perfect with my favorite dipping sauce. Well, one of my favorite dipping sauce. I actually use ranch. You can use blue cheese, but you just need something nice, creamy and milky. It went perfect because I already have the sweet chili and the jerk seasoning. So this kind of, cool it down with some Cool Ranch is what you should try. All right, tell me how you like it. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.